On May 25, 2024, in Humble, Texas, an officer spotted a car illegally parked in a handicap space at Chipotle. 28-year-old Devontae Bex Trayshawn gave a fake name, but officers weren't fooled. A search revealed a stolen gun, narcotics, and multiple out-of-state warrants. And he was a convicted felon. Let's take a closer look.
See your handicap placard real quick. Let me see your handicap placard.
I don't have no handicap. We got my dog.
Huh?
We got a dog in the back. We were just coming to get our food.
Huh?
We got a dog in the back.
Okay.
So we just parked.
Is anybody disabled?
Nah, she's pregnant. So
listen to what I'm answering you.
Yes, sir.
Is anybody disabled? Pregnancy is not a disability.
Well, she parked right here. We just got back in the car.
Okay, let me get your driver's license.
I don't have no driver's license.
Let me get some ID.
I don't have my ID.
Okay.
We just got our food.
So why are you driving if you don't have a driver's license? Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, sir. You don't have any form of ID?
I do.
Okay.
I don't have it on me. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
No, sir. Why are y'all? Like, what's the whole thing?
It's a violation. You're parked in a handicap spot. It's illegal. It's a crime.
You can pull. We didn't park right here. She just pulled right here so I can go back in there to grab the food. She pulled the car.
Are you stopped in this spot?
No.
Is your vehicle in park?
She pulled. I just hopped in the car. That's it. I didn't move. I didn't operate it. I just
yes,
hopped
exactly.
In the car.
You're parked in a handicap spot. What's your last name, sir?
Worthy.
Spell it.
W-O-R-T-Y. Worthy.
W-O-R-T-Y?
Yes, sir. Worthy.
First name?
Nasandra.
Spell it.
N-A-S-H-U-N-D-R-A.
N-A-S-H. I'm sorry. N-A-S-H.
U-N-D-R-A.
D-R-A. Date of birth?
07.
Huh? You don't know your date of birth?
No, this is her.
I need your name.
Devontae.
What's your last name?
Bex.
Huh?
B-E-C-K. X.
X or S?
X. Bex.
Okay, first name?
Devon.
Spell it.
D-E-V-A-N.
D-E-V-A-N?
Yes, sir.
Date of birth?
07. 1996.
96?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So she's pregnant?
Yes, sir.
So why would this car smell like weed if she's pregnant?
It don't smell like weed, sir.
It smell like weed, dude. Don't give me that.
We don't even smoke.
Don't give me that, bro.
Oh.
Keep an eye on him. All right, that comes back with no record, so that name's not good.
How's it like?
You have a Texas ID?
I have a New York ID.
New York
I don't have
ID?
it on me. Yeah, I'm from Connecticut. I'm not from here.
So you don't have a Texas ID?
No, sir. I'm New York, Connecticut.
You have an ID in Connecticut too?
Yes, sir. No, just in New York.
Is he lying or trying to fool the officers? Comment down below your thoughts.
Okay, it's B-E-C-K-X?
Yes, sir.
D-E-V-A-N?
Yes, sir.
29, name and date. Last name Beck, Boy Edward Charles King X-Ray. First name Devon David Edward Victor Adam Nora 7/9 of 96. Run him out of New York and Connecticut. Advising no Texas ID or deal. You said 7/19 of 96?
Yes, sir. That's crazy. I ain't never lived in my life. I guess when I got tattoos, I look like
Oh, woe is me. I broke the law and it's everybody else's fault but my own.
oh, no, I ain't.
Yeah. I'll tell you one thing's not going to make us go away crying about it.
Oh, I'm not worried about it, sir.
Well, you sure are whining a whole lot. Are you living here now? I'm sorry?
Yes, sir.
You live with her?
Yes, sir.
What's the address?
135.
You have to speak up, man.
1322 Babel, North Houston.
1322 Babel. Bamel.
Yes, sir.
Alright, go ahead and step out of the car, sir.
Why I gotta step out the car?
You are under arrest this time. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, sir. Step out of the vehicle.
Why I gotta get out the car though?
That's fine, man. I want to go ahead and start my supervisor. Hands behind your back, bud. Right now, male in custody.
Can I talk to her? Let down the window, Pete. Man, go to my mom's house until I come make it to the reception, bro. That's not fine.
Okay. You got no form of ID on? You want to give all this money and stuff to her? You don't want to? You just want to take it?
You can give her.
You can give it all to her?
Yeah, give her our keys too.
You can disregard. You can send it to jail. You said
That's crazy.
Hang on, bud. You said we can give it all to her?
Yes. Put $100 back in my pocket.
You're not going to county, bud. You don't need cash. That ain't gonna do no good. Is this your phone?
That's my phone.
I'll let you use that to make phone calls.
phone.
Okay.
The other one. Put that one in. In my pocket. Thank you.
What? I got it, bud.
Your phone's going.
Will you just run to the jail for me? Drop them off.
Why you gotta drop me off to the jail?
You're going to jail, bud. You're under arrest.
Hey, let me talk to her, bro.
What do you want to tell her?
Talk to her, my nigga. Like,
Hey, don't pull away
bro,
from her.
let me talk to her.
Don't pull away.
I got the fucking handcuffs on her, bro.
What you want? You
I
can
need
call
to
her
talk
and
to her. That's my baby mom, nigga. What the fuck do you mean, man?
Let's go.
That's
you can call her.
crazy.
You can call her. Let's go. Come on.
Bro, let me cut. Bro, that shit is crazy.
I'll let you call her from the jail, bud.
Crazy, bro.
I know, it sucks.
What, you was just over here picking on people or something? Where are you going, bro?
Get in the car.
Can I?
Get in the car.
Can you loosen this cup up?
No, get in the car.
Can you loosen
Get in the
cup
car.
up?
Get in the car. I'm not loosening it up. We're like 2 minutes from the jail. We're gonna find out who you are. It's okay. Find out who you really are. You wanna tell us who you really are? Huh? You wanna tell us who you really are? Once we put you on that, huh?
She got the driver's seat.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. You gonna tell me who you really are or what? We're gonna find out once we put you on the fingerprint machine, man. No? Okay. Looks like the gun's gonna be stolen out of Montgomery County. Still confirming. When I first walked up, though, there wasn't nobody in this car. And then the other officer saw him walk out and walk back in. Who drove the car here today?
I drove the car.
You drove the car today?
Yeah, I was in there, and then he came in, he moved it over here.
And where was he? So he's the one that moved the car to this parking spot.
Yeah, but he just hopped out. He didn't we weren't sitting here. I had already got the order already. He was just helping me carry the cups.
Okay, whose weed is that?
I'm not. I got a baby right here.
That doesn't mean you don't smoke weed. Parents do things like that all the
I had
time.
to roll the window down a little bit, and I looked like this.
That's why he kept not rolling the window.
Yeah, it was right there between the seat, right here between the seat, and right here, and the B pillar.
Whose is it? Whose is this, man?
It's not mine.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably a felon.
Hey, my nigga.
Yeah.
I saw a bag back there. I don't know what's in there.
Oh, it smells like.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
What do you want to do?
What you want to do?
Check it.
All right, cool. We got you.
Green.
We got you. Hey, my nigga.
Yeah.
That's
Sir?
right. Yeah. Hold your dog, okay? Any more weapons in here, ma'am, that you know of?
No, I don't know. There's nothing in there. I just dropped it.
This your dog? Who's that got to you? Your friend? Can you get your dog outside real quick? Let me check on this side. Just hold your dog. Just stand in front for me. Okay.
Why would he put me out?
Huh?
Why would he put me out?
About what?
He put me on the radio, show me out. Then I found a firearm. That's what I did.
Don't count on the plug.
There's some more marijuana down here. He shoved under the seat. You hear me?
Yeah.
He shoved it under the seat.
How much over?
Not that much. He spilled it.
After refusing to comply, Devontae finally came clean once he arrived at the Humble City Jail. Turns out he had multiple warrants in Harris County and out of state, and as a convicted felon he was charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, possession of a stolen firearm, possession of narcotics, failure to identify. What do you think? Should officers always run identity checks, even for minor violations? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Or you might be the next one getting arrested.